Okay, we're going to move on to exercise 715. Before we quite get there, I wanted to leave this screen up here so you could see that we're still in that view that allows us to edit the headers and footers. You can see the footers are still here for us to view. We could click in them to edit them if we wished. Now when we're done working with them, you want to click inside of the document, all right? And then you can click over here in your status bar and go back to normal view. All right, again, you can see our dash lines at the bottom indicating where our page breaks are, and the ones over there on our right. Again, those are set by Excel when they're dashed, okay? You've set solid lines when you've done it manually. Our last exercise is to remove a page break, okay? So maybe you don't like where the page breaks are. Let's go ahead and click the page break preview button down here on the status bar. We've gotten quite familiar with that location now. And you can see our 3 page breaks. That's where we decided to put them. What if you decide you don't want one there? How do you remove one? Well, let me show you how to do that. Let's go to cell J1. Remember earlier we put one into the left. So here we are, everything you own in a box to the left. That's my Beyonce quote for the day. What I want you to do is click the Page Layout tab, and now you're going to choose Breaks, Remove Page Break, and it's going to remove the page break to the left. Now, you're going to say, well, wait a minute, it just put in a page break. It did, but it has to, right? It can't just assume that you want that full page. It's putting in a page break automatically, and that's why it became a dashed line and not a solid line. So, this would be our new setup at this point in time. We are going to save this workbook right here as 7-15. And these exercises that we've worked on today, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, these 6 exercises have dealt with dealing with page breaks, headers and footers, changing the font in those. And hopefully now you're at least familiar with how to change your header or your page margins, how to change the way your pages break and where they break by going to this page break preview. If you have any questions on that, feel free to email me, and we'll continue to work along with Chapter 7 on your next assignment. Good luck today. Thank you so much for your time.